You guys already know that we love Homer, Alaska. Since we moved back to Alaska in August, we've already been multiple times. We've heard there's some glacier lakes you can go ice skating on. In the winter, you can go cross-country skiing. The entire town is lit up in these Christmas lights, and it's supposed to be the perfect winter getaway. But Alaska has been having one of the warmest Januaries ever. And ever since we checked in last night, it has been absolutely downpouring outside. Even though all of our other plans this weekend got canceled, luckily the place we're staying at, Westwind Cabins, has an entire spa here on site. So we're going to go check it out.
Excited.
Maybe warm up a little bit. Wow.
It's nice.
Oh, it's so cold outside though.
So cold.
So cold.
Oh, so warm. Almost too warm.
Can I turn the bubbles on?
Yeah, touch it and bring it up.
Now, in addition to this amazing hot tub, they also have this awesome cold plunge tub. So cold today, we're gonna skip that. And instead, we're gonna go into their awesome sauna. So much better. So we could have easily spent the entire day in their spa and hot tub and sauna, but we still want to show you guys around Homer, and we didn't think you would appreciate a video of us just chilling in the sauna.
I always have to stop at Fat Olive's when we're in Homer.
They got oysters too.
I'm good. I just want my pizza. Their pizza's about this big. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I think it got bigger.
Moosey.
That's 7 moose in one day. So we just woke up and we saw a moose coming down the driveway by our cabin.
Hi, Moosh.
He's the closest though. Also the smallest.
He was so cute! We saw so many moosies today. Last time we came to Homer, we were super unlucky with the amount of wildlife that we wanted to find. So we made our way down to Land's End because just last month, someone actually saw a whole pod of orcas out here. We don't have too high of hopes, but we're keeping our fingers crossed that some might, you know, swim by. It started to rain harder. We've spotted some otters.
I think. Ah. Oh. There's a lot of them.
The best part about spotting these otters was that even though they seemed very curious about us and kept popping their heads out of the water, making for some very cute entertainment, a small group of them even had some babies with.
Fell in and then the mom jumped in.
I was like, what just happened?
I think the baby fell in because the baby went first.
It is already about 5 p.m. here in Homer, which means that the sun is starting to go down and we're already starting to lose daylight here in Alaska. So before we head off to dinner, we thought we would give you guys a quick little tour of where we're staying. Welcome to Westwind Cabins. This place actually has 4 different cabins here on site. There's the Ark, a cabin with 2 beds and gigantic vaulted ceilings, chandeliers, a beautiful kitchen, spiral staircase, and even a double bath. There's the Bluff, a 1-bedroom cabin with a beautifully decorated interior, perfect for anyone looking for a cozy getaway. And then there's the Slope, located right on the edge of the forested conservation land next door. With 1 bed, this is the perfect cabin for couples or small families. And finally, welcome to the Point Cabin. This is our home for the weekend. As soon as you come into this cabin, we've got a really large seating area here. They've also got a really nice electric fireplace.
Yeah, you're right on this one. I think it's electric.
Little inside joke. And then on this side, we have our gigantic, super nice kitchen. We've got bar seating for breakfast or lunch, fridge, microwave, stove. Tyler used the French press this morning. We got all fancy. We have our bathroom. It is a pretty nice bathroom. They were nice enough to stock this drawer here with like anything you might need during your stay. 2 shower heads, which I've been loving how places are doing that lately, because you can choose whether you want like really good pressure or if you just want like the rain to fall down on you. And yeah, moving on. Next up is the main kind of bedroom here. We have already stayed here one night and the bed is super comfortable. And the most important thing, sometimes it can be really hard to find a place that actually has blackout curtains here in Alaska, but they did a really nice job making sure that at night you won't see any light coming in at all. I will say the stairs are a little tricky. They're kind of mind-boggling. But
see how well you do.
Don't get me tripping on camera.
Yep.
Welcome to the upstairs. This space is pretty cute. It's almost like a loft, so there isn't really a wall separating it, but there's a twin bed here and a queen size bed over here. You can just chill out, read a book, enjoy the view, which we haven't been super lucky with the view today because the weather's been so bad. But if it's clear, somewhat clear, you can see all the way across Kachemak Bay, the beautiful snow-covered mountains on the other side. And that is the point. That is Westwind Cabins. And now, off to dinner. Our night ended at the Cannery, a restaurant we tried to get into on our last visit to Homer, but couldn't because there was a 3-hour wait. With live music and delicious food, it was a great way to end our night in Homer. We woke up this morning to the sound of the trees just swaying and the wind howling, so we ended up taking a really easy morning in. We did head out for some breakfast at this really kind of quaint little spot we found. We made our way to Captain's Coffee, kind of a hidden gem here in Homer. So far, impressions are looking good. They also have their own homemade spicy maple syrup. She kind of convinced me to try it, just a little bit. Hot.
Good?
Very good. I think we found maybe one of our top choices for breakfast in Homer. We're gonna go visit some of these wineries that you guys told us about over on Instagram, and I feel like that just fits really well in this whole rainy day theme that we have going on this weekend. You excited to go thrifting?
Not as much as you. I don't like thrifting as much as Deborah does. But
you're gonna have fun!
She's mean.
Where's the door? I have never seen so many books. We talked to the guy downstairs and he said he's been running this place since 1997 when I was 2. It's definitely not the cheapest place. This book is $5.95 new and we paid $6.48 for it. But it's definitely a unique stop if you're in Homer. So we ended up making our way to Bear Creek Winery because literally all the thrift stores were closed today. We are literally the only ones here and it's already been a blast. She's introduced the whole menu to us. It's
like rich dessert wine.
Okay. So this side is all, they kind of have like those imported grapes, and then this side is all local Alaskan ingredients. So I went with this side and Tyler went with this side, and you get to try 8 wines for $10, which is a really good price, I feel like. Now we get to just drink wine all day. Cheers.
Which one would you recommend? A little less sweet.
Maybe you want to try something like the Blue Zin, or it's got like a little fruits and berries.
Let's try that one.
That one's gonna start the bottle.
You feel special.
This one, because it is a new bottle, it's gonna be kind of room temp. It's best as chilled as you can get. It's gonna be really crisp, like more refreshing.
Okay.
So that's one of those like combinations where it's Alaskan grown blueberries, then those imported Zinfandel grapes.
Okay. That's fun, right? Isn't it?
Right? Okay, this is like an eating and drinking kind of town.
Yeah.
Those are the main events anyways.
It fits, yeah. We've officially made it to our very last tasting. We've gone through all 8 wines. And the last 2 are super special because they actually come with little chocolates. Can't go wrong with chocolates, and it actually is crazy how much of a difference the chocolate makes in between each taste. How was your first wine tasting?
It was pretty good.
Yeah?
I don't even love wine that much, but this was fun trying different varieties of wine.
If Tyler gives it a thumbs up, you know it's good.
Yep. And we even got a bottle to bring home.
Our second stop was supposed to be the Sweet Mead Cider House. Instead, the sun came out and we made our way back to the marina, hoping to see a bit more wildlife, enjoy the sunshine, even though it is still so windy and still sprinkling, we at least get some vitamin D. There's a rainbow leading right to that hut.
I thought you said an eagle.
We had to see the otters one more time.
Can't leave Homer without seeing otters. At least 3 times.
Tyler's leaving me behind. He's like, oh wait, there's people there. You know it's windy when the eagle can't fly.
The eagle was flying backwards.
Always leaving me behind.
You can go first.
No, it's scary. No, I don't want to.
No, you gave me shit, so you get to go first.
The whole sky is pink. It's very windy, as you can tell, but it's so beautiful. Whoa! Right above us. That was crazy. So pink. So beautiful. I love it so much here. Honestly, this weekend turned out nothing like what we had planned, but it turned out to be the perfectly rainy, relaxing weekend getaway. And after a stop at the Twisted Goat for dinner, our new favorite restaurant in town, good pizza, Tyler approved pizza, we ended our getaway with a cozy movie night. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next Alaskan adventure. Bye!
But I got my donuts. I'm ready for the drive now. We're gonna go down the deadliest sketch.
Alright, you first.
No, I'm good.